Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri style pumpkin pickle or Alle Aanchar. Kashmiri word Aanchar is enough to get us drooling. Kashmiri pickle is super appetizing side dish highlighting any meal with extra zest. It's a melange of hot and tangy taste with crunchy texture, making it a sunshine side dish. So let's get started. For making this pickle, I have taken around 2 kg of pumpkin that I have chopped like this. Here you can see, and I have washed them in hot water. We don't have to boil them, we just have to wash them in hot water. Hot as in that we can use our hand, it should be that much hot, not very hot. And this is the size of pieces, the cubes that I have made, and I have drained the water. Now I will let it dry on a kitchen towel. Now I will let it dry for a few hours, around 4 to 5 hours. I'm not keeping it under direct sunlight, so I'll keep it like this. And here I have kept them under fan. Now the spices that I have taken include salt, around 2 tablespoons, but you can adjust according to your taste. 2 tablespoons of carom seeds or ajwain, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds or rai, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds or dhania, 10 to 12 garlic that I have chopped like this, and 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. You can adjust it more or less according to your taste. And mustard oil, I have taken around 1 cup. Now I'm going to dry roast mustard seeds, carom seeds and coriander seeds. We have to dry roast them for a few minutes till they release the aroma. This enhances the aroma of pickle. It gives a very good aroma. So after this, once they're roasted, once they start releasing smell, we have to be careful, we don't have to burn them. Then we will transfer this to a grinding jar and I will grind them. We don't have to make a powder, just slightly grind it. So here you can see. Now I have taken a big mixing pot and I have added pumpkin cubes, chili powder, all the spices, salt, garlic and all the roasted spices, and then we have to mix it. We have to mix it properly so that all the pumpkin pieces are coated with the spices. This is a basic recipe of all the Kashmiri pickles. So here you can see I'm adding oil. So I have taken around 1 cup of oil, so I will just add accordingly. So here you can see. So we have to mix it properly so that all the pieces of pumpkin are coated with spices and oil. This is the basic set of ingredients that we use for Kashmiri pickle, and these are the ingredients that we use for any kind of Kashmiri pickle. Just that for munjhak we boil it, otherwise you can follow the same procedure and with same set of ingredients you can make Kashmiri pickle. At this stage you can check the salt also. You can see if you want to adjust more, or you can add more chilies also if you want it to be hot, more hot the pickle yummier it is. So here you can see it's mixed properly. So now at this stage I'll transfer it to a jar. Glass jar is preferred for pickles, or if you are using any other jar, make sure it's food grade. So here you can see I have taken around 2 tablespoons of oil in this jar and I have coated it from every side, and then I'll be transferring the pickle into this jar. Now I'll transfer all the pickle to the glass jar. So I'll keep pressing. This pickle turns really amazing. If you haven't tried it, make sure you try it. It turns really amazing. The crunch, the texture, it turns very good, and Nowadays there's a season of harvest, there are pumpkins, so you can make it at home. And I kept it for 2 days, so in 2 days it was ready. So 2 or 3 days is maximum that you have to keep it. So here you can see I'm pressing it slightly. And now I placed a cling film, and then I will close its lid properly, airtight. We have to keep it airtight, and I'm keeping it like this for 2 days. So after 2 days, here the mouth-watering and irresistible achar is ready. So here you can see it turns amazing. I mean, it's simply irresistible. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.